by you guys. Like, this high school is amazing. 3 years ago, on whatever it was, October 15th of 2016, my life changed forever. Our lives changed forever. We were told that our son had leukemia. This was this little boy who was absolutely healthy, who never caused me to take a sick day. And so it was absolutely shocking for us to hear that he had leukemia. And I know that this Make-A-Wish, as selfish as it may sound, he really does deserve it. And I know it's going to bring back that opportunity to be a child again.
I would like to express how thankful I am. I am grateful for everything that you guys have done. Without you, this wish could not be possible. I love the Mario theme and riding the go-kart and all the hand-painted pictures. I am proud to say that this is a high school that makes wishes possible. Thank you. I love you guys.
I don't have the right words to say how thankful and how blessed we feel, how special you guys have all made us feel. And I just really, we are so grateful for everything. The fact that you have impacted a community so much larger than I thought was possible.
We are here because we want to make a difference. We are proof that one of my very favorite quotes by Margaret Mead is that never forget that committed citizens can come together to change the world. You did that, guys. You changed Julian's world, and I cannot thank you for the impact you have made on this year's Wish Week.